I'm in Fairbanks, Alaska right now, and they're having a crazy, phenomenal snowfall. Just check out this tree. Look how much snow there is on the branches. Wow. Absolutely. Whoa! This is so much fun. The best part about it is I'm gonna go skiing. I'm gonna try Moose Mountain here in Fairbanks for the very first time. So I'm excited. Everybody says it's a great place to go skiing. Let's go check it out. Woo! I'm dying. No, I'm fine. Let's go check out Moose Mountain here in Fairbanks, Alaska. Made it to Moose Mountain, and my little car got stuck in the parking lot because there's way so much snow. But it looks like it's gonna be a great day. Beautiful 22-degree weather. The snow's still coming down. The interesting thing about Moose Mountain is that you have to ride a school bus up to the top of the mountain because there's no lifts, there's no gondolas or trams. Oh, there's Jeremy! Jeremy, what's up?
Ready to run this bow for the first time.
Yeah. Getting on that cool bus. You're in Moose Mountain. Oh, I'm sorry. Come on, Jeremy.
Welcome to the bus.
There's Jeremy! Yay! Woo!
I almost died.
Jeremy, I think we stopped at the Black Diamond one.
Yeah, right. I'll watch you go down. Got to get my first couple blues in this year before I hit that. A couple more beers.
Jeremy, down!
They're down.
There's Jeremy, and I think he wants to do a Black Diamond run.
I think we're doing Wolverine.
Oh my God. We are doing Wolverine! Woo! I don't know about this. I don't know about doing Wolverine. It is absolutely beautiful. All right, Jeremy, let's do Wolverine. It's a Black Diamond run.
Wolverine.
But on a powder day like this, it feels like a green run. Like a dream run. Bro, make it look cool. I'm recording you. There's Jeremy coming down Wolverine. Black Diamond run, baby. Woo! Like a pro. Like a pro. I think I'm lost. Oh, this is steep. I'm in the middle of the woods. But I'm a little disoriented, but I think if I just keep going down the hill, I'll be okay, right? Most skis have boundaries and they tell you. Woo! It is absolutely beautiful. Anyway, so, and it's not too cold. All right, we're at a run called Waterfall. We kind of just made a turn and got here. So waterfall just means straight down, right? Waterfall. Let's do it. There goes Jeremy. Wait for me. He says there's definitely a waterfall. Not bad for the first run. We made it. All right, this is the last run of the day. They're closing at 3 p.m. because here in Fairbanks, it gets dark at 3 p.m. So the last bus run. It's been a fun day, incredible day, powder day.
Double
here
black
with the
diamond.
awesome Jeremy. He did a
Double black today. It hurt my feelings.
did a double black diamond. Well, I felt like a double black diamond. It hurt his feelings. Oh, he hit really deep powder. Let's go, Jeremy. Where you want to go?
We're going.
This is the last run, man. Let's make it count. Let's go. You lead the way.